Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to remove the battery from the SimpliSafe Base Station in 2026. So in order to do it, first of all, you need to disconnect the power adapter from the base station. This is important in order to avoid any kind of electrical issues while handling the battery. After doing so, you just have to simply flip the base station upside down, and here you are going to see the battery compartment cover at the bottom. So simply use your fingers or a small tool to slide or lift the cover to open. Inside it, you are going to see all of the rechargeable battery pack, which is connected with a small plug. So you need to gently pull out the connector to disconnect it. Avoid pulling too hard in order to prevent the damage. Now you need to carefully lift the battery out of the compartment. If you are replacing it, simply insert the new batteries the same way and reconnect the plug securely. After doing so, close the compartment cover and plug the base station back into the power. After doing this particular step, simply turn it on and check if everything works normally. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.